In light of the current pandemic, some individuals and groups of victims affected by the coronavirus COVID-19 around the world have given mandates to the Canadian Institute for International Law Expertise, CIFILE, to submit a complaint before the International Criminal Court, ICC, for the crimes committed by some leaders and officials of foreign countries, as well as the Director General of the World Health Organization, WHO, for withholding and suppressing crucial information about COVID-19 coronavirus, which have caused thousands of deaths and health issues, as well as severe economic crises. I am here with the Canadian Institute for International Law Expertise, CIFILE, which is an independent, non-political, and private institute working with groups of international lawyers and scientific experts across the globe to promote the implementation of national and international law. CIFILE facilitates access to justice and legal professionals around the world and provides legal services and expertise in international law to the private sector, governments, and organizations at national and international levels to find practical solutions to their legal problems. As of recent, CIFILE has filed a complaint on behalf of some victims of the COVID pandemic to the International Criminal Court. With me today is Dr. Poorhashemi, the president of CIFILE, who will be sharing with us more about this legal action. Dr. Poorhashemi, could you please tell us more about this legal action?
As you mentioned, according to the mandate given to the CIFILE and based on the allegation from the victims, we prepared and filed a complaint to the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court. Although we filed the complaint and the supporting document, we will submit new evidence in the future due to the gravity of the ongoing situation.
Thank you. So, according to Article 5 of the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, the jurisdiction of the court is limited to the most serious crimes to the international community. Which of them is imputable in this case?
The victims' alleged crime are under Article 7K of the Statute of the ICC. Under this article, crime against humanity means any of the act mentioned in this article when committed as part of the widespread and systematic attack directed against any civilian population with knowledge of that attack. Also, the article considers other inhuman act of similar character, which is intentionally and causing great suffering and serious injury to body or to mental or physical health as the meaning of the criminal against humanity. The victims believe, based on the fact, scientific and expert report, and the information available, crimes against humanity could be committed in this case.
So, generally, how the International Criminal Court could have jurisdiction and mandate?
As you know, the ICC is created by the Rome Statute of 1998, which defined the jurisdiction of the court. The court exercises jurisdiction over persons who allege to commit international crimes. In fact, genocide, crime against humanity, war crimes, and other crimes such as crime of aggression are international crimes under the jurisdiction of the ICC. The court may only exercise jurisdiction over the crime committed after July 1st, 2002, I mean the date of entry into force of the statute. Regarding personal territorial jurisdiction of the court, it's important to mention that according to Articles 12 and 13 of the statute, the court exercises jurisdiction over international crimes, as I mentioned before, if the crime is committed in the territory of the member state, or the person accused in national of member state. Another situation is referred to the prosecutor by the United Nations Council under Chapter 7 of the United Nations chapter. Since Canada is a state member of the ICC, the court may exercise jurisdiction over all alleged crimes committed since November 2019, irrespective of the nationality of the accused individual.
Dr. Poorhashemi, what is the legal basis of the complaint?
The complaint is based on the jurisprudence, ergonomous rules, customary international law, international treaties and conventions such as Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, Charter of the United Nations, Constitution of the World Health Organization, International Health Regulation, Convention on Biological Diversity, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, International Covenant of Economic, Social, Cultural Rights, and especially International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. I think the Convention on the Rights of the Child, Convention of the Rights of the Person with Disability, and other legal instruments in international law. The victims expect from the court to open an investigation into alleged crime to ascertain whether the defendants committed international crime. In fact, the victims have a reasonable basis to believe that the defendants, separately or jointly, committed crimes against humanity and violated human rights, including the right of the child and the right of the person with disability. The mentioned alleged crime in the complaint have been committed on the territory of many countries around the world, including the countries member of the International Criminal Court since November 2019. In addition, the investigation and judgment of the ICC regarding the alleged crime committed under the COVID-19 pandemic could be evolving new rules and make a significant contribution of the development and evolution of international criminal law.
Dr. Poorhashemi, thank you so much for informing us about this legal action. We look forward to hearing more from CIFILE as to how everything has unraveled with the International Criminal Court.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.